G'day, g'day. Welcome back. Man, it has been hard to keep this one a secret. Secret Rider number 5 is finally here, and holy shit is it big. Some of the biggest YouTubers that I know and some of my favorite graffiti artists are coming in for number 5. We got a huge lineup, 25 artists, 25 channels, the biggest global graffiti collaboration that I'm yet to hear of. If you're not familiar with Secret Rider yet, I'll break it down in short. All of the artists, there's 25 this time, we all go into a random name generator. We each get given a name from one of the other artists, and we go and paint that name, create a video, and we upload it to our channel. However, we keep all of it on the hush. Everything's a secret, we tell nobody anything. Then, on the premiere date, we all upload the videos we made to our channels, and we sit down together and we watch and see who got who. Most of us will be there in the live chat as well to engage with you, so be sure to come along and have a chat with us. But without me going on in any more detail, let me introduce you to the other artists.
Hi everyone, my name is Slane1 and I'm a secret writer.
I write Azox and I'm the secret writer.
Hello, my name is Azotter and I am the secret writer.
My name is Normstra and I'm the secret writer.
I'm Pussy and I'm the secret writer.
My name is Chuck and I'm the secret writer.
Yo, my name's Wave, I'm a secret writer.
My name is Kidney and I'm the secret writer.
My name is Peke, we are Rescue, I am the secret writer.
My name is Suberabas and I'm the secret writer.
Hi, my name is Rasa and I am a secret writer.
Hey, my name is Smo and I am the secret writer.
I'm X and I am the secret writer.
Hey, my name is Go and I am the secret writer.
Hello, my name is Wade and I'm the secret writer.
My name is Taiso1 and I'm the secret writer.
I'm Cash and I'm a secret writer.
Hi, I'm Doke and I'm the secret writer.
Hi, I'm Moy. I'm a secret writer.
This is Ernest from Rapid Eye Production. I am the secret writer.
I'm Rust and I'm the secret writer.
My name is Theo and I'm a secret writer.
Soy Repso, soy the secret writer.
Yo, my name is Profits, and I am the secret writer. So some regular faces you've already seen, as well as a few new ones, some of which I am sure you are familiar with. The videos will premiere on September 18th. If you haven't already, go and check out some of the channels. Otherwise, see you on September 18th. It is going to be one epic weekend.